Family estrangement can be a difficult and painful experience for everyone involved. Communication is key in overcoming family estrangement. It's important to express your feelings and listen to the other person's perspective. Seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can provide valuable support and guidance during this challenging time. Setting boundaries is essential in rebuilding relationships after estrangement. It's okay to take things slow and prioritize your well-being. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in overcoming family estrangement. It doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the past, but rather freeing yourself from anger and resentment. Building new, healthy communication patterns and habits can help prevent future estrangement and strengthen family bonds. Remember that overcoming family estrangement is a journey, and it's okay to seek support from friends, other family members, or support groups. Ultimately, the goal is to create a safe and nurturing environment for everyone involved, where open communication and mutual respect can thrive.